matters because we need to collaborate across borders in Europe to make the transformation for the mobility ecosystem and also to make it happen that AVs hit the road as a public transport offer. We are working on the last 5% of the technical development and especially on the missing building blocks for it, like open APIs. We are moving forward towards an HD mapping standard, and we succeed to activate and to collaborate with the citizens of the 3 demo sites to really focus on the user needs to implement in the project and in the development.
So the last time ULTIMO was here, we didn't actually have a public service. Now it's open to all, and we want to show you how it actually working in the fields. This is also why we call the event Out in the Field and Into the Trenches. We want to show you all the challenges and opportunities that we see with the service now. Oslo has a strong public transport usage and a strong network. And we see that shared autonomous mobility will become an add-on instead of a replacement. Also, Groruddalen is a very unique and complex area. We have roundabouts, we have right-way hand rules, and also winter driving. In addition to that, we have a lot of small roads and construction works at the roads, so it makes a really good area for testing. Like we say, if it works here, we think it works anywhere.
APIs and standardized interfaces are a key component in all communication systems. In ULTIMO project, we have developed standardized interfaces and APIs for the communication of the automated vehicles with the fleet orchestrator and the customer service. These APIs are the foundation for the future integration of the scalable deployment of automated vehicles in this mass ecosystem.
First, you have to look at the existing protocols, and not only in your industry, but also in the other industries. For instance, we have discovered the VDA 5050 vehicle protocol, which is used in the industry and in warehouse to pilot autonomous vehicles, but it's not completely adapted to transporting people. Then you have to get all the requirements from the different stakeholders, and ULTIMO project for this is a really great playground because we have access to public transport authorities, public transport operators, to vehicle manufacturers and tech providers, and also legal specialists. So we get all these requirements, and then we try to answer to all of these requirements by creating a new protocol using the latest technologies that are already widely adopted, and then we iterate. So we create the first draft and then we have it reviewed, we get the comments and we iterate and iterate until it gets a good protocol for everyone. You have to understand that operating a mobility service with autonomous vehicles is a pretty complex project for the transport operators. They have to get authorizations, they have to get funding, and they have to convince a lot of stakeholders. And on top of that, they have to purchase a complex stack of software that have to work together to operate the service. You need to have vehicles, you need to have teleoperation, you need to have monitoring, orchestration, etc. And if you don't have standards, protocol for all those pieces to communicate together, then it becomes really complex. Starting with the communication with the vehicle will allow the transport operators to procure at mass a lot of vehicles with different brands, and they will know that these vehicles, if these vehicles support the ULTIMO communication protocol, then they know these vehicles will be compatible with their fleet orchestration.